as a DJ Mos. I would like whilst in the DJ is like playing music. I would like have a cup of of drink whereby like and the porridge or a short dash and bake up so I would be busy like I'm enjoying but planning bayajiva abantu ne ndibe nesipho sokuzaba khona lo muntu lapha
uncedayo
no akancedisi uyayiqweca uyabo qoso ndibheka mhlawumbe ufuna ungicompliment na ndivuye la okay ndibulele fine so I will continue playing music phinde ba uyandichekisha nge black glass because like there will be multiple of glasses where like some of my friends ba silapha sonke most behind like they were behind us bazoba semva kwami yabo so there will be multiple glasses here so uzawubona bayingeki abani le onantsi yami once ndiwele kwi deck ndizabuya empty bra so I'll be asking myself ba ndigqibe nini ke ngoku ba kwenzeka ntoni Zambona ncomile awunabhiya sendiyazi ba
wena nguye le besela
usathini apha bengicimuzele